Good evening, guys. Good evening to the Simply Brilliant community. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonoluwa Inde, also known as Sapphire Jewel. We thank God for what God is doing in our community. About the agent donation, I will quickly do a short video for as many who are Android users to see the procedure. It is very simple, and before I go forward, I want to say kudos to the admin and also our IT, the technical group. They've done a great job to the more recent updated version of the donation. Thank you. So guys, you go to your menu and you launch to the marketing, and from marketing you select the second item there, which is agent selection for donation. After that has opened, it will bring you direct to the agent selection page, the portal for donation. Or you hold on a little bit and allow it to come up. Yes, this is the first screen you will see on your agent selection page, and you can see that I have not make any selection here, and you have 10. It said allocate donations. Select up to 10 agents to receive equal points part of your donation. So I start. Wow, this my wonderful brother from India coming up. So is the one coming up first. So you select, you select as many you wish to. You go ahead, select. So for as many people you want to be in the community, you are to make your selection as much as you like. You are to scroll, go to different places and make your selection. Yeah, guys, this is a wonderful innovation from our yours truly, the admin. Yeah, it's a great one, guys. We donating. You donate $10 and it's being shared $1 equally among all the 10 agents, and they will in turn use it for the wonderful goodwill works that is being done. So guys, go ahead and make every necessary selection to at least 10. You have to select 10 members of the community. Select 10 members of the community. So just make a random choice of as many people as you want. We believe the IT will help us to upgrade it, because someone made a comment during the mass adoption that and tell the admin to help us to put a search button where you can easily type. Okay, guys, my 10 members is complete. Just one to go. Okay, guys. Wow, good. So after making 10 selections, you can change any. There's a delete button there. If you want to change after you have made the selection for this particular set of agents today, tomorrow you change it again. So guys, after that, then the next thing is contribute $10 BUSD. You click on this contribute. Yeah, I hope you can see. It will bring you to this page. This is the selection payment method. For as many who are using the laptop, the computer system, or the desktop, yes, you are to press the blue button which says pay using Chrome MetaMask. And for as many who are using Android, the Android version, you are to click on pay a different way. So I will click on pay a different way right now. Yeah, you can see on this page it said on the next page, please enter your wallet address and click the submit button to continue. Be mindful of the destination wallet address. Once you have completed your transaction, come back here and enter your transaction hash. The transaction hash is what we actually show the system that indeed you actually make your payment. Yes, this page. So now let me quickly launch into my MetaMask now and copy my sending wallet address. Okay, yeah, you wait for the MetaMask to quickly pop up. Okay, there you go. Great. So I'll copy my MetaMask wallet address, go back to the footer. Wow, sorry for that little interruption. It will come up again. Once you made your selection and you log out, or there is a little break in the internet, it will come back again. You can either click on contribute here or come down here. It will take you to where you stop earlier. You see, now I'll click on this again, then here. So I will paste my sending wallet address here. Yes, this is my sending wallet address. Click it. Then this is the receiving wallet address. You can either copy it from this place or click on, yeah, copy it from here. Then you can either make your payment here before going to the next page, or you go to the next page and make your payments. Click here, submit. Now you can see important read. When you click close, the page will refresh. Come back here, come back to this contribute tab and enter your transaction hash. Success. Please note, you must report the transaction hash for the transaction not later than 21:07:23 hours. So I click close. So you can see what I was saying earlier. This is the same receiving wallet address of the admin. You copy it, then now go back to our MetaMask. Sorry for that. The MetaMask will pop up again now. Okay, so don't forget we are paying in BSUD. Then send. Now I paste it here. As you can see, though I already save it on my wallet, so you click on it, then you put in $10. Some either put it like this, some will put point and put 00. It's still the same thing. Then you click next. Can you see $10 BUSD, 10 BUSD? Then they will deduct their estimated gas fee. Now, if you want to make payment from any of your relatives, for as many who are not yet familiar with, you must have a BNB in your wallet. That is where they will deduct the gas fee from. So right now we click on send. So the transaction is being submitted right away, waiting for the confirmation. Great. You can see transaction completed. Yes, 10 BSD, then you click on it. Yes, bring it here. Then you click on view on BSC scan. Wow, that's good. So right here, boldly written transaction hash, that is the transaction hash we copy. There can be two replica of transaction hash. It's just one, and that is what will give you confirmation anywhere in the world. That transaction hash will give you the detail of the payment you just made. Sorry, like I said earlier, if the system or the network is fluctuating like this and you come back, it will take you to where you stopped. Unless it will take you there we stop. Unless that transaction is completed, it will not go up. So now I will insert my transaction hash neatly like this. Then the next thing I click on submit hash. Wow, guys, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. You can see transaction accepted. Transaction accepted. And you can see at the right hand top here, success. So I close my button. Then that is all. So that is how you make your pay donation, the $10 agent donation. Yes, so back to the selection page again. So now it has now given me the opportunity to make another contribution for one day. But I click this so that for happening you see only one donation is allowed per day. So don't try to make multiple payments, it will not go, and don't force the system. It is just one single payment per day. Guys, this is wonderful. This is great. And within the next 15 minutes thereabout, my wallet will be credited with the $15 Joy G. Guys, this is wonderful. So for as many who are still waiting, everybody come on board. Let's begin to enjoy the $5 gain per day. And for as many who want to accumulate more Joy G, this is an opportunity to do that. Don't forget, our aim is for everyone to become an agent. And as we go out to share the joy to other people, yes, our community will continue to grow and we continue to share the joy to them. And indeed, very soon, we shall eradicate poverty. We shall bring end to hunger. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this wonderful channel, subscribe to it for subsequent and other updates coming up. Thank you. Bye for now.